Hi everyone, I'm Miss Natalie. In honor of Women's History Month in March and April, I'm going to show you how to make paper rockets and rocket launchers like Macy Jemison used when she worked for NASA as an astronaut. She was an engineer, physician, and the first African-American woman in space. Check out our Hoopla digital library collection for books about Macy Jemison like this one, or other STEM books. So what you'll need today is paper, scissors, tape, something to decorate your rocket with, 2-liter soda bottles, and 1/2-inch PVC pipe. You need 2 of them, and they need to be a foot long. And then you'll need PVC pipe elbows. These are also 1/2-inch. I used a stopper and some duct tape to seal it off. And then I had 2 open ends so that your PVC pipe can fit in easily like that. All right, and then you can probably find some PVC pipe in your garage. So the first step is you'll take a sheet of paper and you want to roll it long ways. So you'll take 1 PVC pipe and you'll roll it up. Ooh. Now this one doesn't have to be too fancy. And then you tape it. Like that. Then you'll take another sheet of paper and you'll wrap it around that one. Now for this one you do want to tape up all the edges down. Alright, there you go. So then you want to take your top layer and you want to pull it off just slightly, about maybe 1 inch off. Then you're going to fold those in so that you can seal the top. Now our rocket's not going to have a pointy top, it's just going to have a flat top, but it's still going to work. And you want to tape that down really securely so that no air comes through. Alright, and then you want to take your rocket out, and you don't need that one. And then you're going to make your fins. You need another sheet of paper, and you can just trace 2 right angles on the corners here, like that. Then you can cut that out. And trace the other one. And cut that one out. Then you're going to tape that down to the sides of your rocket. And you're going to want to tape both sides so that it's not lying flat against your rocket. So you'll just flip it over and tape the other side. And then take your other fin, tape that one down. You want to make sure this is secure as well. And you can fold the tape over the edges. So there you go. Then you have your rocket, and now we're ready to decorate this one. Awesome. So I already decorated mine, so I have this one here. And then we're going to assemble our rocket launcher. So you're going to take your elbow. With the part that's flat, you're going to have that one down, and you're just going to attach the 2 ends. So it's like so. Then you're going to take your soda bottle and you're just gonna put that in like that. It should fit. You don't want to have it go all the way in, just the little neck of the bottle is good enough. All right, so now we're ready to launch our rockets. All right, so it's raining outside, but please try this when it's sunny outside so you can see how far it goes. Thankfully here in the library we have some high ceilings, so we're gonna try it out. So you're gonna lay this down on a flat surface, and then we're just gonna try it. 3, 2, 1. All right, that went pretty high. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to send us your videos using the hashtag Suffolk Public Library, and I'll see you around. Bye.